How are you doing? Welcome back. How are you all? Welcome to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to check Uk49. If it's the first time, please remember to subscribe, to like and share. Join our WhatsApp group. Together we can make it. In case you're interested in joining, check. For example, we have 0677, that is a phone number, 29841. 0677729841. You can join our WhatsApp group. Please bear in mind that I only accept the message which are related to joining the group, right? And you maybe how you asking how I'm doing it. Oh, and the other kind of business, like people they are messaging saying, oh, buy me voucher, oh, teach me the steps to do go to 586, all that kind of stuff. If I have a strategy that I want to share, I will always share it with you. Unless you say write me a book for that lot, because I can do it in maybe a week or two. But about the other stuff, anything you didn't purchase, please. If you want to purchase a book, you can just send me a message. If you want to study Forex, you can send me a message. If you want to join my VIP Rota group, you can send me a message. Yeah, because people are asking me so many questions which are not related to what we do here on YouTube. Yeah, thank you so much for WhatsApping me when it's related. If you want to ask how I'm doing or how my husband is doing, you can still message. But people are asking so many questions. People is someone messaged me today say I need 3 numbers and the bonus ball. Imagine. So if I ever those numbers, I give it to the WhatsApp group, not to everyone, because every day I receive like a 3 to 4 people messaging me saying me question. Give me 3 number in the bonus, 2 number in bonus, 5 numbers straight away. The questions that have no answers. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Today we're going to win. So congrats, we won the banker. We played the lunch and won that banker. It was not easy draw, but since we won a banker, it's a high stake and it's a big money. So now it's time to make more than that. We had all the numbers, but during the select wasn't easy. But tomorrow I already calculated the numbers that I will play, and also we know the presenter is Gina and Christy. So guys, Gina and Christy, Gina favorite number 17, Christy is 22. Those number they combine when you combine using our strategy that we know on the WhatsApp group. We see for 16 and 20. Then for Gina we have 17, 8, 20, 28. Then on Christy is 22, 4, 16, 20. So you can see they have the similarity of 20. So let's go. This is just let's just move on. All right, so today we take the first and the last number, which gave us 24, and the first and the last number. We do minus when is necessary, we do plus when is possible. All right, so when we do minus, we're gonna have 34, and when we do minus here, we have a 24. So do minus here, we have a 34. Do plus here is 46, which came as a 49, and do minus is 24. So the strategy worked on T time, so we'll do it today for T. So you can see T to T came. Now range to range, we have a 42 and 44. 42 came as 24. And then here we have a 40, which came as a 4 here, and we have a 44. 44, which was here. And then we have also 42 and 46 here. 46 it came as 49 because here also when you add you have a 46 we came as 49. So 49 it came here as 46 and 46 played on branch time or drive time. So here we have it. Then the strategy worked on tea time. So in case they wanna use it for lunch time, we're gonna do the same thing. So if we add, we're having it 33. If we do minus, we're having it 25. Then if we add, we having 45. If you don't mind, if you add, you having 35. Because if you add, we will get a 53. 53 when you spin, it's gonna be 35. 53 when you spin is 35. So now we have a 33, we have a 35, we have a 25, we have a 45. So 45 already played. We can focus on 33, 35, 25. 33, 35, 25. If the method, if you can see that the method it worked as on T, which can still work on T if they want to change it to lunch. If you don't want to play lunch, you're going to try this method on T. You can wait for lunch time, the road to end. Then you can wait also for drive time to end. Then you can play after the result. Now on lunch time we have a 48 and the 42, 42 and the 48. And fortunately you can see that 33, 35 and the 25. Then we have a 48 and we have a 42. The only number that is spinnable is a 24, 42, which is 24. You understand? So this is 24, 42, right? Now, if you check it, 3 and 23 is 26. 3 if you do plus, if you do minus is 20 or 2. Among those numbers we have the numbers which will do which will spin, right? So after spinning the numbers, I have a 33, 35, 25, 48, 42 or 24, 26 or 29, 20 or 2. You understand? 33, 35, 25, 48, 42, 24, 29, 26, 20 or 2. So those are the numbers coming from this method alone. And if you want to apply them on T, because I checked and they came on T time, we can also try them on T time, right? All right. So the other method that I discovered is the first number plus the date, the next date. For example, if I say 10 plus 25 is 35, right? Then 4 plus 25 is 29. You can see this method they worked again on T time. Let's see. Okay, now I have 11 plus 26 is equal to 37. You can see they exchanged it, they used the that 37 on lunch. Then 2 plus 26 is equal to 28. 28 is also 24, guys, in case you didn't know. But 28, you can see that it played also as 4 and 24. It's still 28. So they are using this number, one on lunch, one on tea. They are not using them, mostly they are not using them at the same time, but they are dividing them into two parts. So let's check, for example, the previous day. 1 plus 24 is equal 25, right? So you can see that they use this number, and then this one they use on T. 35 they didn't use it, but it came on next day on T time, right? So now here we have a 28 and we have a 37. So 28 came on the other side, but we still have a 28 missing on this draw. This draw still missing 28. So guys, in case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Join the WhatsApp group. I want to check something. 28 came on the 25th. No, I mean 35. 35 came on the 24th branch time. 24th branch time. 25th, 35. 35. Then 9. There's something I want to check, ne? 25, 35. 35 on the 24th. 35 on the 24th branch time. Then the number which didn't drop today, the number which did not drop today, then on the 25th, 35 it came. Today, I'm just saying, this one is 37, which came. This one is 28. 28 came on a branch time. So meaning that this 28 is still a penny number for this draw, for this main draw UK49, because if you check, this number played on the other side, but doesn't mean that it cannot come on this side. So we are still missing this 28 somehow. We should try it also. All right, now 28 is a pending number. Let me write it down. Now we move. So we move. All right, so today we are the 27, the 27 plus, this one is 30, right? And the 4 plus this one is 31. 4 plus 27 is 31. So we're gonna add 31 and the 30. 30, 31. 30, 31. Now, if we use this new method, I have 33, 35, 25, 48, 42, 24, 29, 26, 20 or 2, 28, 30, and 31. Now, if you check, we have 20, which is already playing a long time. 26, 29 also played. 24 came as a 42, remember? Since 24, you can see 24 and this one. 24 move over 17. Then you can see in numerical order we have also 27 and 37. 27 and 37 give us 17 and 47 front and at the back. Front and the back, at the back we have 47 and 17. Do you see it? 47 and 17. Did you see it? So now if you check here, 17 and 47 are missing number. 47 came on a branch. On drive time, it can still become, but 17 is being considered since we have a 24, which move with 17, and the 27, 37 in the numerical order, right? And then that is it. Then the new method I got, you see it as well. Then the number in the numerical order is done. Let me show you some secret. When you take the third number, adding the bonus ball gave us 20. 20 came on T, and this one when you do minus is 42 come on. So launch to T, T to launch. Now 20 and 35 is gonna give us 15. Then this one when you do minus is gonna give us 32. 15 didn't show up, but we have also 23 which came this side. Right, 15 is a 3, so I almost forgot. 15 is a 3, so 15 showed up as a 3. So 15 is used, guys. 15 is used. All right. Now, let's move. It's a third number. Now, we move. This one, when you add, it's going to be 42. This one, when we do minus, it's going to be 2. 2 and the 42, 2 move over 38. In case you don't know, now 42 is still there, but remember 2 on the clock still 14. 14 is there, but then still repeat. So 2 can move as 14. Since they played 3, they played, look here, the reason I say that. When you do minus, because if you do plus will be higher than 49. If you do minus, we get a 15. Then instead of playing 15, they played the clock number of 15, which is 3. I played 14 and 15, and this was my bankers. And I played 3, 15, 3:14, for 2:15, things like that. So, but you can see 3:14 play, but this is a 15 and this 14 as it is, and the 14 is also 2 on the clock, right? So, guys, that's why I'm saying 2 is 14 on the clock. Since we are getting 27 minus 29 is equal to 2. 2 on the clock is 14. Then 19 minus 23, no, plus 23 is equal to 42, right? 42. Now we have 242. If they consider 14 braid, the way they exchanged our 15 with 3 of the clock number, then if they say okay 14 is already used, they can play 38, which move with 2. You can see that is how it is. This is also another method that you can use. Now look at here. There's something else I want to show you. There's something else. So if you add 5 plus 6, it's equal to 11, right? Now they are exchanging. Here they say it's 36. When you add, it's 36. Now 36 is sitting here. You use the nearby number, which is 35 and 37. 35 is sitting here. Now if I add this number together, I have a 33. I was expecting a 33 indeed, which then come. Now if I come here, I get 19. If I come here, get 19. So you can see 19 played, but 33 is still pending number. Now let's move. If I come here, I'm getting 51 or 15 if you spin, but when you do minus, is 3. 3 also is 15, but you can see 3 here. Now let's move. If I do plus here, I'm getting a 33. So between 15, 33, and 3, we are having at least one number on lunch, one number on T. Alright. So guys, that is also another new method that I discovered. You can watch the video till the end. Let's move. Now, if I say, if I add the numbers together here, if I add these numbers together, the bonus ball, I'm getting 49. Then what you do next, you say 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. You play your 13 as it is. There is 13. Now, here when you just do add, guys, don't do other thing. Now, 35 plus 42 is equal to 77. When I take 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 is sitting here, your banker. Let's move. Now, we have a 52. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now, we have a 7, right? We have a 52 as a 7, also we have a 25, because this can be spinned. In case they want to still use addition, we having 7 and we having also 25. One only, among them, between them, we have only one number. So now, since we have a 7 and the 25, you can see that the 7 is 19 on the clock, right? Now, since we have a 7 and the 25, 49 and the 1 and the 13 move with 25. The 1 is sitting there and the 37, right? A 25 sitting, so we still miss 25 as a coming number. Now, another thing we have, as I was thinking, our presenter is Gina, right? She likes 17. Now, since our number, when we add the numbers, we're getting 7. This could give us Gina splitting the number into 1 7 or 10 7. If they play this 7, they're gonna play 1 7 or 10 7. So this is the last secret. Thank you so much. In case you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and to join our WhatsApp group. Yeah, you can WhatsApp me on 06777298841. Thank you. Bye bye.